What is going on, you guys? Welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to be taking you through a shoulder and glutes workout, my favorite body parts to combine together. Hope that you guys like it. The full workout is going to be written down below in the description box for you to screenshot and try on your own. But don't forget to come back and let me know how you like it. What is going on, you guys? Welcome to today's workout commentary. I hope that you enjoy the workout. This is an advanced shoulders and glute workout, so let's just get right into it. Starting off with some dumbbell reverse lunges. You want to make sure that you are keeping your core engaged the entire time throughout the entire exercise, because that is what is going to drive your stability for this. And I want you to keep the weight in your heels. So keep the balls of your feet and your toes out of the movement and put all of the weight in your heels. That way you are really going to activate your hamstrings and your glutes. So this is going to be a superset. We are also going to throw in some kettlebell sumo squats. So I want you to bring your legs as wide as you possibly can while still practicing the proper form. Again, weight in your heels, and we're not going to be driving the hips forward. We're going to be just keeping the tension in the glutes and squeezing the glutes the entire time. I find sometimes that when you drive the hips forward and squeeze and make like the ugly butt, it sometimes takes the tension actually out of the glutes and more into the quads. So we're just going to come up high enough while keeping the tension in the glutes. Moving on, this is more of a compound movement. We are doing the sumo squat into press. So this is going to get your heart rate up, which is awesome. I always love throwing in like a full body banger like that because it is hard. It gets my heart rate up, gets me sweating, and then just in the mood for the rest of the workout. So after that exercise, we're going to do some dumbbell front presses. This is going to be a superset with some lateral raises. They're going to be half reps, but start off with the front press, kind of creating like a triangle in the front. Try not to hit your face. I've done that so many times with the front presses. And then we are going to be doing the dumbbell lateral raise with pulse. So all you're doing there is a full rep with the lateral raise and then a half rep at the top. Killer superset. I know, you can do it. Moving on, we are going to be doing some single arm plate upright rows. So always just keep your core engaged and pull up with your delt. Try to keep your shoulders rolled back and down as well, because this is going to put the tension into the delts and keep the back and the neck out of it. So you're going to be doing 15 with each arm. Supersetting the upright rows, we're going to be doing the barbell Rocky press. So everything is done standing. As you can see, I'm really engaging my core for this exercise and every exercise, but especially overhead presses. You want to make sure that you're not hyperextending your arch. You're actually pulling your tailbone under, tucking it under, and trying to keep your spine as straight as possible. This protects your back, and it also it makes you stronger. It feels more comfortable, and it makes you be able to push heavier. So after you're done your shoulders, we're going to get down on the ground and we're going to be doing some froggy thrusts. So make sure that your heels, your feet are together and you are thrusting up with those hips, squeezing your glutes the entire time, and then coming back down just to touch the ground and driving back up. So that's a froggy thrust. They don't feel great, but they definitely work the hamstring glute tie-in. And then just as a superset, we're doing a body weight single leg elevated thrust using the same dumbbell that we used to do the thrust with. I feel like I said thrust about 3 times there. So that wraps up the entire workout. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. I would consider this a more intermediate to advanced shoulders and glutes workout. I had a lot of fun doing it and recording it for you guys. I hope that you enjoy it as well. Comment down below. Let me know what you think. As always, thank you so much for your support and enjoy the video. Don't miss out on the sale that I'm sharing with you guys at the end of this. And to finish off this video, I just wanted you guys to know that One Up Nutrition is having a up to 50% off sale this week. So if you guys need to stock up on your favorite supplements, now is the time. So this is how it goes. If you purchase 4 or more supplements, you will get 50% off when you enter my code RANDY20 at checkout. The website is marked down 20%, an additional 10% when you purchase 4 or more. And then when you enter my code, you will activate all savings. So enjoy, guys. Thank you so much for watching.